Now comes the partner. Okay. First, you will be creating the partners. Okay. So for quality notifications, so see here it is defined partner functions and the determination procedure. If I select this, so we will be selecting quality
management.
and change the partners. Okay. So standard Q2 is there. Again, you can use the copy of it to create it.
Okay.
Right. That is the most convenient one. If I select Q2 and let's see the details. So these are the partners which are defined. Okay. And if I go to my, it is not there. When I want to create it, I will be selecting Q2 and then click on copy as. Okay. And I can write my own copy all. Continue. So now under standard, see, always recommended copy it from the standard.
Okay.
So I have copied it from the standard. If you want specific extra entry to be added, then this is the list.
Okay.
So
you
can see, suppose if I enter, say, anyone, which is add this part. So I will go here, I will select new entries, and I can enter the function as DP.
DP. Okay.
Right. So here you will be searching.
Maybe.
Or if I select, say, driver, enter key, that will be added. Okay.
Okay.
So here these things are there. No changes possible. The partner is mandatory. It should be unique. That combination is
What is
it? I will explain you.
Okay.
See, let me come out of it. See here, you can see in this case, supplier coordinator, here the partner is mandatory. So when I am creating a notification, you always, whenever we save it, it always asks you that the partner is mandatory. You have to maintain it, right? So because we have maintained the information that this is required, mandatory. These two are okay, mandatory. I have to enter coordinator and supplier information. Okay, let's try this. Save this much and we will go to our notification. Slashing QM01 enter. Let me show you Q2 first. Okay, Q2 enter. And let me add some dummy data here, little bit. Say 80 is my material, and some text I can add, test, and let's try to save it. So here you can see it is giving enter the mandatory partner. This pop-up is coming. Okay. Because partner information we have to enter. And by default, it is taking 2 because both the entries are mandatory. This is what it is. The supplier is mandatory. Now here comes the vendor should be unique because there is only one vendor from whom I took the material. So that's why you want only one vendor information should be allowed to enter, not multiple vendors. Okay. Right? Okay. So here, when I am entering my supplier, there is only one supplier allowed to enter. Not multiple suppliers. Okay. So that is that purpose of this thing. That it should be unique. Got it? So you will be maintaining that. Let's see in our notification now. /n QM01 enter x2 enter. Continue. Now let me enter see something, enter, and then try to save it. Again, this message is coming for the partner. See, by default, it is picking 2 because we have used copy as and we have created a copy of it also. And here, if I have to save it, then I have to maintain some information here, right? And since we have maintained it from there, then I can select this and enter some value. Okay, enter. And if I try to add, say, supplier again, because I have entered that it should be unique. Let's see. See, it is giving me only one I can enter.
Here.
Multiple entries you won't be able to.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly.
But
Okay.
if I enter some other, like the responsible person,
Now I can.
I can select the one which is
No, does not.
relevant one. Okay, no one is there at present. The data is not there.
Okay. Okay.
Anyway, you got
Okay, I got it.
right.
Mm-hmm.
So this is what is a business partner, and default you can use because we keep default as it is normally. Only in the case of whether you want mandatory or not, you can specify that. And do you want a unique entry to be added or not? That you can specify. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go back. Assign the partner to the notification type. Okay. So this again, since the things are copied from the standard. First, let's check Q2. So here the partner determination procedure is Q2. For us, will be the same only because we have used copy as, which is Q. Okay, which is standard one only. Right? Then assign the partner to the notification type. Your new notification because the entry should be present. Okay. Click on details. Here you can see the detail entries are there. Right?
Okay.
The coordinator, my coordinator or the supplier or who will be this. So same entry should be maintained in your notification type. Data is maintained, similar kind of data need to be maintained for the notification which you have created just now. Okay, so let me go back and then we will go to X2 and here also we will be maintaining this information. Here you have to manually maintain it. Okay, so let me enter same here in this. It is HR manufacturer. You can just refer Q2 for this when you are filling the information. Let's save it. Continue. And let's go back. Now, the priority, you are again and again getting the issue of the priorities are not maintained. So define the priorities for the notification type. Okay. So
exactly.
It is standard one only QM for QM priorities, okay, which is assigned. So first, if you want to create new, you can create a new one. Otherwise, you can use the existing one. Let's use existing only. So here, for the notification type, QM is assigned as the priority type. And here we have specified some. So when I am going here in, let's take Q2 first. Okay, enter. Enter. So here, in the subject tab, this priority is there, right? At present, the date is coming, required date is 1 and required end date is blank, right? And the moment I select the priority, the dates of the required end date will be calculated. Okay. At present, which is blank, if I say very high, it means within 1 day, the issue should be solved for this notification. Okay. So I have selected very high. Today's date is the start date of this notification. Press enter key. It is automatically calculating the required end date, which is +1. So this is what we have maintained in the configuration. Okay. If it is very high, then the period of end date is 1. Within 1 day, it should be closed. Okay.
Not the same.
See, if it is a critical issue, you want to resolve it at the highest priority.
Yeah, exactly.
So this is actually that highest priority at which level you want. You are giving the time period. Only in this much you have to solve it. If it is a low, then I have given 10 days. Exactly. Time, please do it, but maximum is 10 days. So for low, I have maintained it as 2. See the difference when we are saying say it is low. Okay. At present, the start date is what is coming is 1 and the end date is +1. Okay.
Tomorrow.
For very high. But if it is low, the start date is also changing because it is a low priority. Let me show you that. And it will add 10 days based on that. Okay. So press enter key. See, it is
Yeah, exactly.
3, not 1. And the required end date is 11. Means from this date, 10 days I have added. Because in the configuration, we are seeing the starting period is +2 days. Okay. And the total period we have given is 10 days. Okay. And date is 10 days. So similarly, for the medium one, start date is also getting changed, not the same date. Whereas in the case of very high and high, it is same date. Right? That's why this field is filled. Created priorities for this. Okay. You will be assigning it to the notification type. Okay. So suppose we will go to Q2 first. So for Q2, we have assigned the priority as QM. Just now we have seen the detail of this only. Okay. Let me go back and we will go to X2. At present it is planned, right? So when I am going here in the, this is which one? This is Q2. Let's go to QM01 enter. I don't know whether we have added the screen for priority or not. It's true. No, we haven't added the screen for priority. Okay. We have defined the priorities, but I need the screen for the priority in my notification type. So let me go to define screens, areas, and tabs. And here, if we go to Q2, continue, select this and go to the extended view. Here, if I go to QM01, enter, let's take Q2 as the notification type, press enter key. And in the subject tab, here we are getting this priority. Okay, so I want this subscreen to be added in my notification. So let's do the configuration for it, and we will be adding this screen. Okay, under the subject, if I open it, these are the screens which are maintained. So let's add these option. Okay, that's why the screens are important. So under subject, it is execution. It is organizational data, work center, and quantity. So I need to add processing in this. Okay. So let me go back and we can go to our notification, which is X2. Select this and go to this. Here I can enter one more screen. Okay. So click on new entries and here I can enter the tab which I want to add it. So it was tab 02 additional data. I can select this and here I can enter the name as additional data 2 and activate the tab and then we have assigned processing subscreen. Okay, to it, let's save it. And now we will again open the notification. So we can go to again QM01 enter. And this is the notification type. Press enter key, continue. And here now the additional data tab is 2 is coming and under that the dates are coming, okay, start and end date, but the priority is still not coming. And the initial screen also we are getting the message that the priority is still not set. So let me come out of this and we will again go to the configuration. So we have done this part. Let's go back and one more configuration is required. for the priority, we have to assign the priority to the notification type. So, in the notification processing, in the response control, here assign priority types for the notification type. We are using the existing one only, so let me just assign it. For Q2, it is just now we have seen the detail. If I open it, this is the priority type QM, which is defined for it. Okay. So same I can enter it in my X2. If I open X2, here it is at present blank. Let me assign same here QM and then save it. So now I have assigned the priority also, priority type to my notification type. Now let's check it once again, the same thing. Okay, so I can open it again /n QM01, enter. And this is the notification type, press enter key. This time I am not getting the information for the priority settings, press enter key. And now if I go to the additional data tab, the priority is coming. Okay. And even these dates are coming, and this is the list which is coming. We have already seen the detail. So at present, the required date is blank only. If I select very high and press enter key, it will be changed to +1. Okay. Press enter key. So now it is 7. If I change it to say low, then the start date will also be added with +2 and this will be added with 10. So press enter key. Now it is 8 and this is 16. So this is how it works. Okay.